Hello, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox the iPhone 4S, which I ordered 3 days ago. Actually, the package just arrived. This was the cheapest iPhone 4S that I found on eBay. So probably I'm gonna be scammed because the some reviews was okay, some of the reviews was bad. So I was very interesting to see and to try if this actually it's a genuine iPhone 4S from 2011, which is completely interesting, to be honest, because the price was super low. The price that I paid for this 11 years iPhone 4S is about 35 pounds, equals about 45 USA dollars, which is super low, to be honest, and I'm pretty sure that I was scammed. So without further ado, let's unbox the iPhone 4S. Actually, I have it here. So let's unbox the iPhone 4S in 2019 and let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, so let's unbox iPhone 4S. Let's see if this is original iPhone 4S from 2011. I'm pretty sure that I'm being scammed, but okay. We have to see if this is true or not. Super excited. Okay, so let's unbox the iPhone 4S. Let's go for it. I'm not gonna show you the other side of the box because my address is underneath. Okay, this is a little bit hard to remove. Put the knife on the side. Okay, so let's see iPhone 4S from 2011. It was a big deal back in the days, I remember. Let's not waste time and let's see what is in the box. iPhone 4S. Okay, so we have the phone. I'm gonna leave it on the side. What else we have here? This should be the charger. Yes, this is the 30 pin old school Apple charger. I don't know if this is the original charger from 2011, but okay. I'm gonna put this on the side and let's see. Actually, the packaging is quite poor. That's normal. I mean, this is from 2011. This is a used iPhone 4S. God know how many times it's been used. So, okay, let's see. Well, I'm not complaining. Just make sure that this is genuine and if it's in working order. In the website, it says that this is genuine. They give you warranty as well. Actually, they give you 12 months warranty, which I'm surprised for. This is a very old iPhone. Okay, looks okay. There's a scratches, to be honest, on the back. I don't know if you can see on the camera. There's a scratches on the display as well, but that's okay. That looks okay, actually. Your SIM card is here. Power button. 3.5mm jack. You have your mute switch here, volume up and down, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's see if there's any juice. In the meantime, let's power up. Okay, not bad for $40, not bad. I hope this is in a working order. I hope everything is being tested, and actually I'm gonna try to use this phone, so let's see how it's gonna work. This is 3G. Actually supports LTE, I think. Yes, I think supports LTE, so I'm gonna put my SIM card. I'm gonna give it a go and I'm gonna test this iPhone 4S, see if it's gonna work properly, because I'm curious to see if it's in 2019 you still can use iPhone 4S. Okay, so let's wait for the boot time. Okay, so this is the display. Oh, actually, we have 50% battery. Thank you for the people that they charge it. Obviously, they charge the phone, they test it, so they send it like this. Okay, so swipe. Yes, this is the... Oh, there's no SIM card. Obviously, there's no SIM card. That's pretty good, actually. This doesn't look like version 6 of iOS, to be honest. But let's see now. So, settings. And we go to General. About. So, this is the 16 version. 16 gigabyte version. Okay. Actually, this is 9. I don't know if you can see. 9.3.5. I don't know if you can see properly. Yes. Yep, 9.3.5. This is not older version of iOS, but okay. Looks okay for me. I don't know. I'm gonna put my SIM card. I'm gonna try to use a couple of days. We'll see how it works. Probably the battery is gonna be very bad, but this is actually pretty good for $40. The classic camera. Let's see. This is 8 megapixel shooter. I love the sound. That's not too bad. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try this phone for a couple of days, see how it works. It was interesting to see if this phone is genuine, if it's original Apple device from 2011. Yeah, this is used, refurbished. Not exactly refurbished because there's a lot of scratches. Yeah, it's been used basically, but looks okay for me. Okay, guys, this was Stefan. Make sure you subscribe and share the video. I'm gonna put my SIM card here for a couple of days to see how it works, see if it works okay, see the battery life, and I'm gonna try to use this phone for a couple of days. Why not? It's a pretty interesting phone, old school. I love this design. I love this Apple design. 3.5 inch back in the days was huge, but now all the phones now they quite big, and this is, you can reach all the 4 corners on your iPhone, which is pretty interesting. Okay, this is Stefan. Subscribe to see next time if this phone is okay to use in 2019. Let me know what you want to see for the future, and I'm going to see you in my next video.